Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Install Telegram and open it. Enter your phone number, then type the SMS or in-app code you receive. Once verified, pick a display name and optional photo so contacts recognize you. Make sure notifications are enabled so messages arrive. Next, grant contacts permission to import friends. If you prefer privacy, skip and add people manually. Once done, familiarize yourself with the bottom tabs: chats, calls, contacts, so you know where conversations, recent calls, and contacts live. Now build your messaging flow. You can start a private chat with a contact or search a username to message someone without their phone number. This preserves privacy. Create a group for projects or community discussions, add admins, and set permissions. To follow news or broadcasts, join channels. These are one-to-many. Use the search field to find public chats, channels, stickers, and usernames. Make sure to use pinned messages and message links to organize important content as the conversation grows. Finish by securing and customizing your account. Turn on two-step verification to add a password and recovery email. This prevents unauthorized access. Adjust privacy and security to control who sees your phone, last seen, and profile photo. Set chat folders and notification exceptions so important threads stand out. Use the desktop app or web version for larger files and faster typing. Everything syncs via Telegram Cloud. If messages don't send, first check your connection, update the app, and verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.